Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm filming a product that's going to interest all men and hopefully not too many women. Do you have hair on your back? A lot of men do. Some men look like silverback gorillas. And you know the biggest problem is getting rid of that hair. I don't like going for waxes. Asking somebody to shave your back is a little embarrassing sometimes and not always that easy. And shaving your own back, well, that is a mission. Don't worry guys, stay tuned, I've got your back. Okay, I can tell you're interested because you're still watching the video. Guys, I'm talking about the Mangroomer Lithium Max Plus. This is an electric back shaver. This thing has more features than your latest BMW. Guys, you want to stay tuned and check this out. There's 15 years worth of research that's gone into something like this. And I've been thinking for some time now, I wish somebody would invent something that makes this whole process a lot easier. Let's unbox this and go through some of its features. Now this is a 7th generation product, and this time they've got a 50% wider 2.7-inch ultra wide back grooming blade. Okay, so it's even wider, it's reaching even further. Okay, coming out of the box we have a set of instructions, but something that really interests me is this card. And it basically congratulates you on your purchase, but it also says that if you're not happy with this product within 2 years after purchase, you've got to contact them and they're gonna make it up to you. Now, I love reviewing products that give you some form of warranty or guarantee. It means they stand behind their product. Okay, so this is it. It is the Mangroomer, and it looks pretty good. It actually feels really good as well, and it's lighter than I thought it would be. They give you 2 attachment heads. This is the broader, wider one, and look at this. They've even got these shock absorber necks on each one of the heads. So it's going to go according to the contours of your back. Now this is where it gets interesting. You will see that there is a little lock and unlock button here. We press the unlock and look how this suddenly now changes its complete position. In fact, it will change to 135 degrees. So now, look at that. It suddenly becomes so much easier to shave your back. But that's not all. This patented design has this switch over here, and look at that. Even extends even more. So I don't know how big your back is, but I mean, you could shave your ass with something like this. Look at this. Look at that. All the way down the back. Now on the actual groomer itself, you'll see there's a little button there. That is the power burst button. I want to press that button and see what happens. But apparently it is for coarser hair. So you just press that button and it's going to glide through that coarser hair on your back. To change the pivoting heads, all you've got to do is switch to open and then twist the top and it comes clean off. Now we just add the other head, put it in and twist, and put it back on lock. Now you might be asking, what is the difference between the 2 heads? Obviously this one is broader, but this is for that initial shave, and you can see the blades on that head. That's for the longer hairs on your back. Once you've done that initial shave, then you want to just maintain and groom and make it smoother, and that is that head right there. Now the Mangroomer comes with its own power cord, so it is completely rechargeable. And because it is a lithium battery, it's going to last so much longer before you even have to worry. I haven't even charged it yet out of the box, and it's still got plenty of juice. With the Mangroomer unlocked, you can change it to 15-degree increments. So let's put it all the way to 135 degrees. We now press in the lock button. Let's see how far we can extend this to. Almost mid-back. Let's put it up. Now you want to go real slow in the beginning just to get a feel for it. Now as you can see, I don't have a lot of hair on my back to begin with, so I've put it onto the smaller head. This is the grooming head for a smoother finish. Now the position you can use is to actually make it a little bit closer, change your degrees, and use it underneath your arm. Now I know there's going to be a lot of men out there that are thinking, where have you been my whole life, and probably a lot of wives and girlfriends out there thinking the same thing as well. Guys, this is a fantastic product. What a brilliant design, what a brilliant concept. I'm leaving links down below so you can go and make your purchase nice and easy. Also some more information so you can learn a little bit more about this product. Great man grooming product. Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next video, bye-bye.